Hello everyone, this is Neelam Tyagi and today I am going to discuss about the topic exponent and power, and it is the fifth chapter of class 7. So let's start our topic. Chapter 5 is exponent and power. In general, for any rational number a and a positive integer n, we define a to the power n is equals to a multiply a multiply a multiply a dash 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 multiply a n times. A to the power n is called nth power of a and is also read as a raised to the power n. The rational number a is called the base and n is called the exponent or power or index. For example, in 2 to the power 5, 2 is the base and 5 is exponent, and 2 to the power 5 can be written as 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. Here 2 to the power 5 is exponential form and 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 is expanded form. Also power 2 is called square, means if any number raised to the power 2 we can also call as square. For example, if 5 to the power 2 is also read as square of 5, and if power 3, then we can read it as a cube. For example, if 7 to the power 3 is also read as cube of 7. Next is law of exponent, and first law is multiplying powers with the same base. In general, let x be any rational number and m n be positive integers. Then x to the power m into x to the power n is equals to x to the power m plus n. For example, 2 to the power 7 multiply 2 to the power 8 is equals to 2 to the power 7 plus 8, and 7 plus 8 is 15. So our answer is 2 to the power 15. Means if our base is same and exponent are different and the numbers are in with multiply sign, so we simplify the number by adding their powers. So we have to add the powers if base are same and numbers are in multiplication. Law second is power of rational number. In general, for any rational number x and for any positive integers m n, x to the power m to the power n is equals to x to the power m n. To find power of a number, we have to multiply the powers. For example, if 7 to the power 3 to the power 4, then we have to multiply the 3 and 4, and our answer is 7 to the power 12. Next is law third, power of a product of rational number. In general, for any rational number x and y and for any positive integer m, x, y whole power m is equals to x to the power m and y to the power m. To find the power of a product of rational number, we have to find the power of each factor and then multiply. For example, 2 into 7 to the whole power 4 is equals to 2 to the power 4 and multiply 7 to the power 4. Next is law for quotients of power of same numbers. In general, for any rational number x and for any positive integers m and n, x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equals to x to the power m minus n. For example, 7 to the power 4 divided by 7 to the power 3 is equals to 7 to the power 4 minus 3, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So answer is 7 to the power 1, and we can also write 7 to the power 1 as 7. Means if base are same and numbers are in divide, so we have to subtract the powers for simplification the question. Next is law 5, power of a quotient. In general, for any rational number x and y and any positive integer n, x upon y to the power n is equals to x to the power n divided by y to the power n. For example, 7 upon 3 to the power 4 is equals to 7 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4. And last law is zero exponent. For any non-zero rational number n is equals to 0, a to the power n is equals to 1, means if any number raised to the power 0, then its value is equals to 1. For example, if 2 to the power 0, it is equal to the 1, and also 0 to the power 0 is not defined. So thank you everyone for watching this video.